Hello everyone, Jack here from Gosal's World, and today welcome to another installment on the unboxing series. And today I got the big package. A package I got it from Game Company. So found out, let's take a see what's inside of it. So safety first. We'll take that off. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Off. Oh, let's see, and it is, you guys. Take that bit off. Ta-da! Yes, it is here, ladies and gentlemen. Soul Calibur 6 Collector's Edition. Sophia 1 here. I am really super excited with Soul Calibur series. If everyone who's seen the Soul Calibur series live reaction, you know, just click the icon on top of the screen right now so you can see what that all the characters been revealed, including DLC ones is. So firstly, of course, that one here, we're going to take this blaster off. And so, this is the game. Wow, look at that, that one here. A nice, fantastic artwork for one here, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely love it. Anyway, let's take a look at the box inside. Yep, so, firstly, of course, there's nothing inside, but at least you get the case that went inside for one here. This is the book one. I really love that. Okay, time to take out this one here, the figurine I have also been interested to see. So, also of course, that's now this one's a very good one here. Now, in attention to how many gigabytes is it going to be? Well, one thing you know, is only 10 gigabytes. That is magnificently. I'm saying I'm really happy with that one. Okay, we're going to take it off here. Okay, so the box, that one here, another side, whole one here, perfectly. Look at that. Very good with that. So we're going to take it off. Okay, and as you can see right now, the official game is here. So here it is, the official game. I'm really super excited. So first of all, let's make sure, hopefully if you get, like, if you get a Collector's Edition, you hopefully get a Season's Pass one here. So just really take this last off here. Yeah, bear with me a second, guys. Get the short game. Yep, so it's here. Okay, as you can see right now, there's the code for one here. Hope you can see it forward. Now, I'm covering this up, that one there, you know, guys, is that I'm going to use it on right now on the PlayStation. So you get the Season's Pass, that one here, the code with unlock a Season's Pass for one here, and hope you get downloadable content. So that's very interesting to see. So now, we're going to focus on now is the figurine. So Sophia one here, and look at this, you guys. Take the tape off. Oh, that's probably. I think that will be the figurine source for that one here. And now we're going to take this off. Wow! And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There it is, the Sophia figurine, that one here. I am really happy with this, that one here. Great artwork, that one here, of course. The sword, that one here, you know, I'm hoping if I can try to connect it. Well, it's usually more, if I can help me do it. Well, that'll be enough. Well, that'll be enough anyway. So, I mean, that is a magnificently, wow. I am really happy now. Soul Calibur is fantastically, I'm really happy with this. So, as you know, that if you want to know what the collector's editions for, there are different regions that for the collector's edition. Firstly, of course, yes, you will get the full game itself, that one here. Also get a season's pass and also digital soundtrack with it. I mean, it's really great. Also that, now, if people who got it from game community, like I have ordered, you will get the limited steel bookcase. And I absolutely love the case. So, I would say this is my number 2 favourite, that one here. The case itself here, I mean, I really love that. That's fantastically. But I think the best one of all, guys, it's got to be the figurine. The figurine, I am really waiting for that moment. So, of course, that you know, the figurine as well. If you order from BandaiNamco.com in Europe, you get Sophia, but in a silver version for it. So you got like a silvery version. And also for North America, that one, of course, you get the game, that one itself, Sophia figurine as well, and of course as well, an 120-page book, that one there, art book, that one there. So I'm really happy with this one. My soul still burns with me, so I cannot wait to get started playing Soul Calibur, you know. I hope you enjoy this experience of unboxing the Soul Calibur 6 European UK that one. This is European UK's version, guys. So I hope everyone enjoyed this, and remember, give it a big like for the video. Give us a comment below on your thoughts on the CD unboxing of Soul Calibur 6, and of course, you know, have you got Soul Calibur as well for one there? So like I said, just give me a big comments below, and don't forget, guys, to click punch the subscribe button. Till then, this is Jack here. See you later.